Hello, today we're going to make simple, easy carrot pickle, Vietnamese style. You can just peel them up like that. You chop this end down a little bit and the tip too. And then rinse them quickly. Put them in here and rinse them. Next, we're going to just shred it like that, okay? Did it sideways, whatever that's easy for you. So for these, you put them into the bucket like that, so they are ready to be pickled. 2 ingredients to make pickle in Vietnamese is sugar and vinegar. You can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and the ratio would be 50-50. So if you put in 2 tablespoons of this, 2 tablespoons of that, and then just put same amount of vinegar in, okay? Your dish now is complete. Just mix them up and eat as much as you want right now, or just store in the refrigerator. It will last 3 weeks. The pickle will gradually release more water, so you have more water. You don't need to add water. So this is your pickle that you can use in Vietnamese bánh mì or any of your other dishes, okay? And they are so tasty. If you like more sugar, you put more sugar. If you like more vinegar, sour, you can put more vinegar. But they are ready to eat. Just stir them around and enjoy it. Simple, quick, easy Vietnamese carrot pickle. See you in the next segment.